Adding videos to the video playlist is super easy, but what to do if you added them in the wrong order? Have no fear. On this page, I have this playlist that I've created here. I want to take this App Store video that I have down here and move it all the way to the top. How to do that? Let's go back into the builder, and it's as simple as clicking on the video that you want to move. And then here in the options toolbar at the top, you'll see you have the up and down arrow keys. Select up, and there you go. You move it all the way to the top. That means that in case you bring in a new video, you duplicate this one, and let's bring in another link. Let's say I want to bring in this one over here. I'll grab that link, go into my builder, and then I'll paste the link. And after having done all of that, I realize I need this one to go to the bottom. I'll just move it to the bottom. Let's select it again and change out FreeBSD editor. Easily said and done. For more tips and tutorials on Brizy, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also visit us at brizy.io.